right there. So I decided to buy a proper motorcycle tool set, and the name is Proxxon or Proxxon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it really. I tried looking for videos on YouTube to hear how they pronounce it, and it's mostly in German. So now that we got that thing off, let's go ahead and dig into this because, let's see, push this out. Of course, leave it to the Germans to make an unboxing almost impossible. Okay, here we go. Or maybe it's just me. It's probably me. Okay, so it comes in this nice hard case plastic. Now, I thought in the pictures and some of the YouTube videos I found, I thought they would come in like a metal casing, but it's actually a hard plastic case. So I think how we open it is do this latch, and this comes up, and some of the bits are kind of like sticking already. And we got some pieces over there, some pieces over here. Okay, so far, it's made of this like cadmium or something. It's made of this material it feels like a solid steel with a powder coating on it. And I'll leave in the description what the material is called, but it feels solid, and they're heavy. They're hefty pieces of tool bits. So essentially what I really needed when I was working on the bike was these bits right here. Trying to lift the tank, it would have been helpful to have this and either one of these long pieces, like so. This would have been nice to have, I have to say, like so, to get to the bit that's in front of the tank. And my other tool set didn't really have this because these were the bits I was trying to look for. And what's crazy is if you go to the hardware store and get these, they're like $5 each if you get really nice ones. Otherwise, they're roughly about $1.99 or $2.99 for really not so nice ones. Now, like I said earlier, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know all the names of the tools. I just know what I need to work on my bike. And this is essentially what I need. So this would have been nice like this. So this red button, if you can see right there, in order to put this on, I press the red button and I let go, and it locks it like so. See? And so this would have been nice to have, especially I need a T30 star. That would have been so nice to get the tank off. My God. I would have loved that. So I'm going to work on the bike again because the wiring harness that I purchased for the bike didn't really work out the way I want it to. So I actually bought a different one. So I'm going to work on that today. And let's see. We also have some hex here. The Street Triple does take a 5mm hex. So the set's got that. It's got an array of other hex sets and screwdrivers here, or screw bits, or I think they're called Phillips. And then we got some star ones over here. And then we got this is the 1/2 inch, I believe. Oh no, this is a 1/4 inch. I'm not sure, 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch. So this set is 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. It says it on the thing here. And this is called the Proxxon or Proxxon 65-piece kit. And this thing is hefty. Oh my God, this is really hefty, heavy. I'm just kind of surprised this piece is plastic. Thought it'd be metal, but I guess plastic works. It's not in an area where it requires it to be heavy-duty metal. Here's the 1/2 inch extension, so 1/4 inch extension. These are what I need on the bike often. I think these would probably just take a tire off of the bike or something. But yeah, finally got a nice tool set for myself. The rest of the box really quick. So this piece right here is made of a very dense foam, and you can see the indentations right in here. And then also, this is actually it actually has a picture on here. It tells you it's for a spark plug. So that is, I think, really cool to get the spark plugs out. I'm not sure, this is 16 millimeter here. And then we also got one for 21 millimeter. Also got a one of these swivel extensions, adapters. So that's cool. So I believe this is the 1/2 inch. And then we also, what is this one over here? This is a 1/2 inch extension as well, adapter. So overall, pretty cool set. We got the mini one, the mini extension with the swivel for the, I think this is the 1/4 inch, and the same thing, the 1/4 inch right here. And then we got a screwdriver, and then it's got this thing on the end. Now I think this is to help with something like this, with if you want to extend like so to get to something while having another leverage point to hold on with the other hand. So if I was to look at this, I'd extend it like this. I get one of these bolts. I can put it on here like so. And then I could do this and have another grip point. So that's kind of cool. So that is kind of cool. Now this company does make a rotary ratchet, and I've been thinking about getting one, but they're super expensive. Sorry about the camera right there. They're super expensive as heck. The set also comes with little Allen wrenches, and they're tiny Allen wrenches, as you can see. And it has its own little pocket right here, which is also made of plastic. It's got big pieces of ratchets right here. I think that's pretty much the set. And then, yeah, the plastic right down here. The cut isn't really clean down here. There's some rough edges right here. So if you're looking for fit and finish, again, that's, you know, that's kind of not what this plastic box is. The spring-loaded pieces down here, I don't know how they will last, but it seems pretty sturdy and solid. Sorry about the bird, by the way. I'm bird sitting this week. All right, and that's pretty much the box. Let me close this up and see what's on the bottom right here. There's nothing on the bottom. And then it does have kind of a list of what's inside the box here, so that way you don't have to open up the box to look what's inside. You can kind of see it here already. And yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing of the Proxxon Industrial 65-piece toolkit. I purchased this for my motorcycle. Hopefully I'll get to use it for long term. So I'm pretty much set on tools. I don't think I need anything else at the moment. All right, that's here with motorcycling, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.